超适合夏天的2款柠檬茶一次学会。嗨，我是阿农，今天解锁泰式手打柠檬和港式冻柠茶，做法相似，但是都有小技巧哟。学会了别忘了告诉我你最喜欢哪一款。
When you walked in the room, I thought I'd forgotten you. Turns out it isn't true. And now I do regret all the things I said. I can't take this anymore. I want you, I'm telling you. Oh, come on, come on. I know I was wrong. Hold my hands up and take the blame. I still believe in you and me. Do you feel the same? I'm sitting there waiting for you, and baby I can't